Hello kids, welcome to my channel. Colors name: blue color, orange color, light blue color, red color, black color, neon color, brown color, pink color. Orange color: A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for girl. Green color: H for hand, I for ice cream, J for joker, K for kite, L for lion, M for monkey, and N for nest. Yellow color: O for owl, P for piano, Q for queen, R for ring, S for star, T for tomato, U for umbrella, V for village, W for water, X for xylophone, Y for yak, Z for zebra. Smiley for happy kids. So kids, today we learned A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, and smiley for happy kids. So kids, if you like my video, so please don't forget like my channel and subscribe my channel. We will see you next video kids. Till then, bye.